I'm running 6 different Claude sessions almost every day. One's building for my SaaS, one is for LinkedIn sales, the other one is for editing video scripts, the other one is for writing content for different formats in different platforms. They're across 3 different businesses I'm running, and I can see all of them from this one view. This dropped yesterday is called Agent View, and after using 24 hours running my entire operation through it, I can tell you what truly matters. If you're like me, running multiple Claude Code agents across different projects, you know the pain. You start one agent for one task and you go to a different terminal to spin up another one to save your time and maximize the productivity. By the time you come back, you forget which session was doing what. And you probably use Tmux and multi-taps in terminal warp. Or in my case, I've used this Claude itself too, and I even pinned and named it a little differently for each task. But still, like video one, I have no idea what I asked for. And video two, after probably 30 minutes, I forgot all of them. It was quite painful. And all Agents View tries to fix is this issue. And I will walk you through it. The first thing I want to show you is how you can see this view. Very simple. So you come back and you type like Claude agents, and then it will show you 3 different sessions actually. The first one is need input, is exactly when it stopped and waiting for your input to continue the work. And the other session is completed, and this one is showing you the completed task. And if we ask another thing, it will have here, let's say, then now we can see working. And on the right side, so here on the right side, it showed you the timeline too. To see the specific agents, you can actually use arrow key, right key to see the specifics and come back with the left arrow key. And it shows you what I really liked about is if we are getting here and then it runs once for writing LinkedIn content for me, and then it has recaps. So previously, we don't have this one in any of our terminal sessions or even Cloud Desktop. I was getting lost many times, and I asked, what have we been working for? But this now, it tells me you asked for a viral LinkedIn post from a YouTube video about Claude Code New Agent View. So I can clearly see and catch what was happening with this agent. And on the working side, you can see like how it works. So I ask carousels and it runs all of our skills. And now like it checks multiple tasks by itself. So when it's done, it will come back to me and show me the result. While we are waiting this result, I want to show you the second thing you can have here is background anything. If you run a separate sessions, you can add it to agent view by simply /bg. On the left side, I ask in another session, I want to YouTube research quickly for content idea about Claude Agent View, and it showed me this top 10. And now I just do like background. Then it close here. It looks like close it attached to our agent view. And in agent view, the first one was the same thing. So we can continue what we've been doing from different sessions in this agent view. So you don't get to lose any of that. And now you can remove all different terminal sessions. I really love this idea. And this one is pretty useful when you're having different projects, not only using skills or some of the automations you set up, but you start running from different ones. Let's say I can go to products and I can go to one of my products here, and then I can start working on some of the stuff and background it, and I can see in the agent view. And while I was showing you around another agent just got carousel done, and I can see the results here. And again, recap. This was very useful for me to run multiple sessions in just one window. And you can have like concurrent sessions to build products quickly. You can have long running agents like a PR review. For me, I am using Claude Code for almost everything from code to generating articles, content. You can use it in many different ways. And next thing is, if you hover over some of the sessions like this, there are actually three different operations you can do with. The first thing is you said you can enter to open the session. You can use arrow keys. But there is also another option called space to reply. Let's say you're done with this one, and if you type space, it shows you the next step, and you can reply, okay, could you show me the preview of it? Then it got into working mode again. If I'm coming here, it just takes what I ask from this view and just worked again. So the idea of using this space is when you know exactly what is the next move for this session and you don't want to get into it again and check out all of them, then this can be quick, easy operation. And the next one is you can clean up this agent view by just clicking type Ctrl+X. Then it shows like this, and you can Ctrl+X again to delete it. This way, you can manage sessions under your control. And my recommendation is always group them together and work them in the same mental model. Let's say you are working on the content. I highly recommend using all those sessions for different content, like newsletter, video, social media, or SEO content. Or when you do coding, probably you are having multiple sessions in the same coding space. That way, you're switching too much, and switching context is costing you a lot. That's a hidden cost. It looks like a pretty simple update, but I see the value clearly. If you have multiple sessions every day to maximize your productivity and tokens given, then this can be a game changer. And if you don't know how to use Claude Code or Claude or even Claude Cowork in general, we are having our AI community where I share everything in the classroom, like a free resources for skills and general things about the Claude N8N. And we're having paid memberships where we're sharing the LinkedIn course, Claude Master, and production level skills I am using for my clients, and even Claude OS. So please join our AI community and let's grow together. See you in the next video.